Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And here is a not so tutorial video if you will. So basically what I was telling you guys, and I'm really going to start this off like this because I feel like it's self-explanatory. You're going to need 2 circles. If you know how to start off a hat, a regular beanie, then you already know you're doing 6 rows. So the first row is 12, the other one is 24, and then you're just going to keep going on. You're going to keep increasing until you get to the 6th row. Now you're going to do 2 of those. We're making a duffel bag, so you're going to need 2, as you can tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video. 2, because you're going to need 2 for each side. 1 for each side. So you're going to make 2 of those. They're both 6 rows. Then what you're going to do is you're going to half double crochet the body part. So what you're going to do for the body part is you're going to chain however many you're going to need to I think I did 40. I think I chained 40 if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. I don't remember, to be honest. But you're going to yeah, I'll put what I chained in there. But then you're going to attach it to the circles like that. As you can see, I just single crocheted all the way around on both sides to attach the 2 white circles. And then this is really the bag, honestly, but I crocheted some straps, and that will be in part 2. I'm going to show you how to attach the straps. I'm going to show you how I bedazzle it and bling it out, whatever you want to call it. My straps and the zipper didn't come. I crocheted the straps. You can go watch my live if you want to see the rest of it, but I'm going to show you. And I also started making this bag. I think I did some of this bag on live as well. So if you need to see me making this bag, you can go see on live, or you can get this video up to 10K likes, and then I will do a full in-depth tutorial. I love that you guys are commenting on my other videos, and I will be making the tutorials that you guys asked for. Just bear with me, it's hot, and I have children and everything else going on. I'm trying to get as much videos out as I can before school starts because I'll be very busy. But make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. As always, honey stitches.